Look guys, today we're going to be opening some more packs. Yes, some more packs. But this time we're on Wii Foot. So, without further ado, let's hit it. Oh, Aubameyang? Yeah, yes, he's alright. He's not bad, but he's not. Oh, that is, oh my god, in one Di Maria. That is insane. Oh, oh, oh my god. Who's Paul? Jesus Christ, Pauletta. Right, I need to be quiet because my parents sleep next door. Oh Jesus Christ, Robbie Keane. Oh, oh my God, Roy Keane. I was close. Oh wait, was that Vardy? No, what the? Moving on. Oh, that what the? Marcelo, Mascherano, and a legend, and it's only Bobby Moore as well. Oh my flipping god! This is Daniel. Jesus Christ! Is that Sergio Ramos? I'm so lucky. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Kasper Schmeichel, Miguel Di Maria, Felipe Luis, and not only the 99 Ronaldo. Oh my god! Oh my god! Gee, what the? How the hell is that possible? Oh my god! Oh my god! Nah, we just got George Weah and PK and Sanya and Godin. What? And that man Zukic? Oh, Dybala. Oh my god. This is sick, guys. Oh, Higuain. Chill. Oh my god. Oh. Jesus Christ, this packet opening is amazing. What? Alright. That's a bit weird. Right. That is, guys, I'm not sure what's going on here. Guys, I have no idea what's just happened. 92 Ibra and 97 Neymar and what's his name? Adjuris. Sorry, I can't speak today. Oh my god. Ah, I am sorry, guys. This is too good. Right, I can't handle this. I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to do Draft Simulator. Oh my god! Obviously Ronaldo. Striker. We're gonna have to go for Leo Baptiste. Oh, that's a strong link. If we move that guy there. Damn it. No one. We've got absolutely flipping no one. God. Could my pack look? Could my? Oh. Ooh. No. Sorry, guys. I'm starting over. That is too bad. Right, yes, I do want legends. I know what to go for. Luis flipping Suarez. In form as well. Christian Teller thought so. Oh my god, I'm starting over. It's too bad. I'm sorry, guys, if you think I'm being a bit fussy. Okay, that's something to shut me up. Oh my god. Oh my god, how is this possible? Oh my god. Alright, that's not so good. Bench. Centre mid. Give me a good centre mid. Okay, don't. Just completely ignore me. Oh my god! Iron Robin, obviously. Sadio Mane. That's better. No. No, that's not good enough for me. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, damn it. Chose the wrong one. Oh! Maybe not. Thank you. I will take that. I just got two of the same players. I give up. Right, so this one now, I can't quit. I promise. I will not quit this. I'm gonna start a BPL. Yes, Hurricane. Oh, Willian. I'll take him. Oh, Kevin De Bruyne. That one. Yes. This is going well. Shh. God damn it. Paul Pogba. Obviously. Why? Well, why wouldn't you choose him? Oh, screw me. I've got two now that I need to redeem. That's three, maybe. Actually, this could actually be a good Scott Dam. Wow, that's a sick name. My God. This could actually work, you know. This is actually pretty decent. No, maybe it's not. Right. I'm going to do one more foot draft, okay? I know this video has actually been quite long. Right, but... Oh my God. I'm going with Varane. Oh, damn it, I shouldn't have. Was there a legend? That was a... Oh, damn it, there was a legend as well. Oh, screw me. Yes, that is decent. No, that is not. Kyle Walker. Give me someone good. Hey, that's someone good. Casemiro. He's sick. I think. I don't know. I'm just saying that because I don't know anything because I'm a dummy. If I put that there. Yes. Boom. Oh, God. Come on, give me some luck. Oh, why, thank you. Gary Lineker, I'll take that. Oh my God. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys later.